Hi there, and welcome to the Proxy Sale channel. My name is Andrew. In today's video, I will guide you through the process of configuring proxies in TaskBot. Let's get started. Start by launching the bot. Enter all the necessary billing information in the Billing Proxies section to facilitate your purchases. Next, navigate to the Add Task tab. By default, no proxy is in use. To set up your proxy, locate the No Proxies Are Set Up section and click the plus icon. The section will open a window for configuring a proxy. In the proxy field, input the IP address of your proxy, and in the port field, enter the corresponding port number. After entering these details, click on the Save button. You can set up multiple proxies as needed, and they will all appear on the right side of the screen. Once you've entered all the necessary information, close the configuration window. Now in a task window, select the specified proxy and click on Save. Proceed to the Terminal tab. You'll find tasks already created with the proxy you configured. When you initiate a task, if you are using a personal proxy, you will be prompted to enter your username and password. Click on System Preferences, and in the window that appears, input your proxy's username and password. Click on the OK button. That's it. The proxy is now configured and the task will execute using the specified proxy. Let me remind you that your work as well as your accounts may be at risk if you operate with free proxies that can be found on a network. Such proxies do not have guarantees of anonymity and security. We recommend a reliable and trusted provider, ProxySale.com, which will allow you to get proxies of any location with guaranteed anonymity and security for working on a network. The link will be in the description. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons. See you in the next video.